Hi everyone, it's Charlene. I hope that you are doing well this weekend. I'm participating in a DIY Christmas mantle challenge. So basically we're supposed to upload how we decorate our mantle for Christmas. And this is being hosted by Antoinette at Simple Yet Chic. She does lots of beautiful home decor videos. And she does some DIYs as well. And then it is co-hosted with Jessica over at Measure and Mix. And Jessica also does lots of DIYs. She's very creative. And I love both of these channels. I thought it would be fun to participate. And I'm saying goodbye to fall, but not really because all my fall stuff is still up. But I did start purchasing the things I needed for the DIY mantle challenge. So I'm going to show you that, and then I'll be back later this week. I think we are to upload on Saturday, I believe. I don't know. I'm going to check that fact. But let's get into the video. Let me just say, if my sister's watching, I know she's going to thumbs down my video because she thinks I'm jumping the gun. She wants to get through Halloween and Thanksgiving, and I'm already talking about Christmas. But I want to participate in the challenge, so it is what it is. So firstly, I have my cute Santa Claus plate, the milk and plate set from Home Goods, about $9.99. This has nothing to do with the challenge, but I wanted to get it while I saw it because if you shop at Home Goods, you already know. If you don't, it won't be there when you come back. And then I picked up this really nice 7-piece flameless LED candle set by House and Garden. It's $19.99. It comes with a remote, and this is going to go on my mantle. The theme for the mantle is going to be trees. And so I picked up this brown wrapping paper that has the red embossed stamped trees on it. I have a lot of Christmas trees, so I'm going to go through my stash and pick out what I want to use. And then if I need any filler, I will decide what that will be, you know, once I'm done. Because I already have a lot of stuff that I can do the mantle with. So I picked up some bark. The peppermint bark is not for the mantle. It's for my coffee bar. But again, I like to get stuff when I see it because this stuff sells out fast. And the Home Goods shoppers, they don't play. They were shopping yesterday, y'all, like hundreds of dollars already for Christmas. Those cups you just saw were $2. Nothing to do with the mantle again, but just a good deal. So I can switch out my summer glasses. And these red candles, these are so cute. These are $5.99 at Home Goods. Everything came from Home Goods today. These are $5.99, and it'll be such a nice, pretty pop of color and a nice accent on the mantle. The only thing I haven't decided on is a picture. I don't know if I'm going to find a Santa Claus picture. I would have to go like somewhere like Roses or something. So I'm hoping to go there and find a Santa Claus picture. I don't know where else I can find one because they don't have like a lot of them out in stock. So once they hit the shelves, people snap them up. And then I got this red buffalo check print. These are just gift boxes, but I thought they were cute. And I'm actually wrapping presents in a lot of the brown craft paper. So this will all tie into that look. We're going for a very traditional farmhouse, country, woodsy feel for our theme this year. We already started shopping last year, so you'll probably see lots of natural elements, twine, and lots of pops of the red, the black, and the white, and the tans. So I'm excited and ready to go. I know I already have the garland I need. I'm only thinking at some point I'm going to need some filler. And I'm going to use some empty boxes to wrap. And look at this cute little mug I got from Home Goods. And that little spoon that comes with it, it's still attached, so I couldn't take it off to make-believe fake stir it for you. But isn't that adorable, y'all? I only picked up one, but this starts my tradition of collecting the Christmas mugs. So that's my first one, and I probably will get about 5 more because I usually do 4 from the Dollar Tree for my snack bar. And then I'll get like 3 more for me and my daughters because we all drink coffee or tea. So I like to do a little collection. So I'm going to move my fall mugs up a row, and then I'm going to make way for all the new Christmas mugs I'm about to buy. So thank you for hanging out with me. Come back when I show you how I complete this DIY Christmas mantle challenge makeover. And y'all have a good day.